You might be hearing a lot about Guillain-Barré syndrome or GBS in the news lately. I'm Dr. Nandita. Someone close to me had experienced GBS in the past and it led me to study this deeply. Today I'll help you understand this complex syndrome in simple terms. First, what is GBS? It's a severe condition affecting your nerves that can lead to paralysis. While its exact cause remains a mystery, we know that it's triggered by certain infections. Let's talk about the current situation. Pune is witnessing an unusual outbreak with over 160 cases, several deaths, and many patients needing ventilator support. The trigger? Contaminated drinking water containing a bacteria called Campylobacter jejuni. This is what happens in your body. The infection first occurs, and then the immune response produces antibodies. These antibodies mistakenly attack your own nerve cells, which is why it's called autoimmune, antibodies attacking your own body cells. This leads to a progressive weakness that typically starts in your limbs. There could be tingling, pain, and also symptoms related to autonomic dysfunction, which means fluctuating blood pressure and heart rate. In severe cases, the respiratory muscles also get paralyzed and the patient may require ventilator support. This is why GBS patients require immediate medical attention and monitoring. While there's no cure, there are treatments that can help speed up recovery. Because this is an immune reaction, the treatment involves immunotherapy. Either plasma exchange to remove all the antibodies which are causing the problem, or intravenous immunoglobulins. Patients with persistent muscle weakness will also require long-term physiotherapy. What makes this outbreak particularly concerning is its scale. While GBS typically affects around 100,000 people worldwide annually, seeing so many cases in one area is unusual. And now a concern that might be worrying you. Is GBS communicable? No, it cannot spread directly from person to person. But what can be communicable are the infections that sometimes trigger GBS, such as the Campylobacter jejuni, a type of bacterial infection often from contaminated food or water, or various other viral infections. In the current Pune outbreak, for example, while the GBS itself isn't contagious, the Campylobacter jejuni bacteria in the contaminated water that's triggering GBS cases can spread among people who consume that water. This is why public health measures during GBS outbreaks need to focus on clean water supply and hygienic food handling. If you experience unexplained muscle weakness, especially if it starts in your legs and starts spreading upwards, seek immediate medical attention. Remember that prevention is crucial. During this outbreak, ensure that your drinking water is safe and maintain proper food hygiene to reduce your risk.